Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify order confirmation email. This is the email your customer gets after they place an order in your store. So if someone buys a product from you, Shopify sends them this email to confirm that the order was received. By default, this email already works, but it may look too plain or it may not match your store. So in this video, I'll show you how to change it, add your own logo, change the color, and update the message so it feels more like your brand. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the bottom left side of the screen. You should see the Settings button. Click on Settings. After that, look for Notifications. This is the place where Shopify keeps all the emails that get sent to your customers and to your store team. These emails are for things like order confirmation, shipping updates, refunds, and other store messages. Click on Notifications. Now, click Customer Notifications. This section is for emails that your customers receive. Since we want to change the order confirmation email, we need to find the order email. Scroll down until you see the Order Processing section. Inside this section, look for Order Confirmation. Click on Order Confirmation. Now you should see the email that Shopify sends after a customer places an order. This is the email we are going to customize. Before changing anything, it is a good idea to look through the email first. This helps you understand what is already there. You can see the subject line, the message, and the main body of the email. If you only want to make the email look more like your store, you can start with the basic email design settings. To do that, go back to the Notifications page, then click Customize Email Template. This area lets you change the main look of your customer emails. The first thing you can do is add your store logo. Click Choose File, then upload your logo from your computer. After the logo is added, Shopify will show it at the top of your email. This makes the email look more professional and also helps customers know that the message is really from your store. Next, you can change the color. Look for the Accent Color option. This is the color used on buttons and some important parts of the email. Choose a color that matches your store. For example, if your store uses blue buttons, you can use the same blue here. If your brand uses black, green, pink, or another color, you can choose that instead. After you choose the color, check the preview if Shopify shows one. Make sure the email still looks clean and easy to read. Once you are happy with the logo and color, click Save. And that's basically how you customize your Shopify order confirmation email. You just go to Settings, open Notifications, choose Customer Notifications, open Order Confirmation, and then update the email so it matches your store better. You can add your logo, change the color, update the subject, and make the message more friendly for your customers. Just remember to keep it simple. The email should tell the customer that their order was received, what happens next, and how they can contact you if they need help. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.